Hey, it's Doug here, Santa Clara Cycle. Today we're looking at this very nice 2008 BMW R1200gs. This is BMW's full-size sport adventure motorcycle. Has the 1200cc boxer twin fuel-injected engine, 6-speed transmission, ABS brakes. This is a clean title, California bike. Bike has only 20,900 miles on the odometer. This bike is very clean, mostly all stock. Has a taller sport touring windshield, new tires front and rear, BMW hard factory luggage, top case, side cases. The BMW 1200 boxer engine is very reliable, very solid, easy maintenance. You could ride around the world and back on this bike. Good do-it-all machine, very comfortable, and priced at only $83.99. What finance options available? Stop on by Santa Clara Cycle and check it out.